Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class, we have learned that how to build a new specific text using HTML and CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my videos, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So now, first of all, I will go to the here. I will go to the logi, and here I will full screen it, and I will go to the desktop, and I will see you. I will make this for you. I will see you. I will make this here. Accept, reject. Here you can see I will make that it in this class. Here you can see it. It is very small class, so I will building that. So I will first of all I will let's start the building. So I will go to the here. Open with here. I will open with choose another app, and I will open with here Sublime Text Editor, and I will open with Sublime Text Editor. So I will erase that and erase that. Control A, erase it, copy, save it. And now another here I will go style.css, open with choose another app, more apps, and here I will write Sublime Text Editor. Control A, erase it, save it, and now I will side by side because you are a beginner level, so I will side by side. So here I will side by side it. So I will erase that, erase that, erase that, and erase that, and erase that. So sorry, refresh it. So now first of all here I will go here, I will write HTML, and HTML here I will write. So here I will write title. I will not write title, so I will only go to the down, and here I will write div, and here I will write class. Class will be container. Here only write container, and enter press, and enter press. Here I will write button. Button should be my button type. First of all here I will write type. Type should be my button, and my button here I will write like accept, and here I will another, here I will write button, and here I will write type should be also button, and here I will write his button is reject, then save here, and here I will refresh. Here you will see it. Here is my button is easily has come. So I will go to the style.css file, and now here I will go to the style.css file, and now here I will write margin. So I will first of all here I will write margin. Here I will write margin should be 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, font family should be Poppins, comma sans serif. Till here my work is done. So I will enter press, and I will go to the index.html file. So now here I will copy that, and here I will. So now I will copy that container, and container I will copy dot container. So now till here my work is done. Here I will write height should be my 100 ph. Enter press, space it, width should be 100%. Enter press, background should be hashtag EBEEF1, and now enter press, display should be flex. Enter press, align items should be center. Justify content should be also center. Button should be my font size should be 32 pixels, and font weight should be 500. Padding, and my padding should be easily as 20 pixels, and margin should be 30 pixels. And now width should be 350 pixels. Background should be also hashtag EBEEF1. Enter press. So cursor should be pointer. So now save here, refresh. So here save here, refresh. So here is nothing, so because I will not link the file style.css. Save here, refresh. So here you can see it. Till here my work is done. So now I will go to the down. Here I will go to the down. Cursor should be pointer, and now I will go to the down, and now till here my work is done. So I will cursor should be pointer, and now cursor should be pointer, and now here I will write enter press border should be none. Enter press border radius. My border radius should be 50 pixels, and here I will write hashtag 00A037 and the press box shadow. Box shadow, I will also give the box shadow 10 pixels and 10 pixels and 10 pixels and -1 pixels. Raqba, so now here I will write 10, here I will write 99, here I will write 169 and here I will write 0 and here I will write 16 and here I will write comma and here I will go to the up and now here I will go to the here and here I will erase that and the press and here I will write -10 pixels. Here I will also write -10 pixels. Here I will also write 10 pixels and here I will write -1 pixels. Here I will write Raqba. Here I will write Raqba. Sorry, erase it. Raqba. Here I will go to the here. Raqba and now here I will write like Raqba and here I will write like 255 comma space 255 comma space 255 comma space and here I will write 0.70 and now here I will space it. So now here I will go to the here and here I will write so here I will till here my work is done. So here I will so now here I will go enter press and here I will write button dot reject and now here I will write color should be hashtag sorry I will not show in color, so I will go to the here style. Here color should be also, so no, here I will erase it and I will go to the here color should be, I will see that what is him color and here I will go to the here, go to the up and here I will write amazing. No, here I will go to my down and now here I will his color should be I will show the color, his color should be ED00 and here I will paste him here and now till here my work is done and now here I will write box shadow again also 10 inset should be 10 pixels -1 pixels and here I will write Raqba and Raqba should be my 10 and here I will write 99, here I will write 169 and here I will write 0 and here I will write 16 and here I will erase it, comma, enter and now here I will write inset should be hashtag -10 pixels and another -10 pixels and 10 pixels and 10 pixels and now -1 pixels. Raqba should be Raqba and now here I will write 255 comma and another 255 comma 0 0.70 and now till here my work is done. So I will go to the index.html file, I will go to the Google and here I will write another, I will go to the font awesome. So I will go to the font awesome. So and I will start the, so you can first of all you can and sign in. So I will go to the here I will go and now here I will till here my work is done. So I will go to the Sublime Text Editor. So I will go to the, so first of all you can and log in your account and I will also log in. So I will go to the kits option and I will click the kits option. So here is come, so I will click that, so A63 and I will click that. So I will click it. So it is come, so copy that script code, copy kit code, okay, copy it and go to the Sublime Text Editor and now go to the Sublime Text and paste on here. sorry, not here, here, paste it. And now till here my work is done. So first of all you can go to the icon, and icon you can go, and here you can write phone, and I will like pick that, and I will copy that him, and I will go to the here, and here I will go, and here I will paste him here, space it, paste, and paste them here, and save here, refresh. So refresh, and here I will also save, then refresh. So here you can see it, till here my work is done, but its color is not like red. So but I will here I will write color should be red, then save, then refresh. So here I will not define his class, so I will here I will go, and now I will first of all here I will define his class. So I will not define his class his class should be like reject, and then save, then go, then refresh. So here you can see it, easily I will make that. So here you can see it, easily I will make the next pure words button using HTML and CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.